In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the front sway bar link bushings on this Ford F-350. They're located right behind your front axle, so let's get started. Use a 13mm socket to remove the two bolts holding the sway bar bracket onto the front differential so we can pull the bushings off. You can do this one side at a time, or you could do the other side right now. This gives me plenty of space to work one side at a time, and then the sway bar won't drop all the way, so I'm just going to do it this way. Remove the bracket and remove the bushing. There we go. If needed, clean up the rust on the bracket, especially in there where it's going to press up against the bushing, and of course on the outside if needed, or just source a new one if this one is in really poor condition. Also inspect the sway bar itself. A lot of times they rust out here, they get weak, and then if you go over a big bump or hit a pothole, it will snap. This one is in good shape, I'm not worried about it. Apply silicone paste to the sway bar where the bushing sits. This will allow it to pivot freely, be lubricated, and of course prevent corrosion for a long time. You don't need a lot. Any excess will just squish out, so it'll just get wasted. So just put a nice thin layer here. Take the sway bar bushing, open it up, and put it right over the sway bar. I like to add a little bit of silicone paste to the outside of the bushing so that the bracket can slide on easily and it prevents corrosion. Slide the bracket over. It's non-directional, so it doesn't matter which direction you put it in. Might need to help it out with a rubber mallet. Perfect fit. Start in the bolts. Torque these to 47 foot-pounds. And do the same on the other side to the other bushing. Of course, always replace both at the same time.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.